My name is Stanley Ugagbe, and welcome to today's commentary on what is happening in the Nigerian political terrain. Of course, Nigeria as a nation has been mourning since on Sunday that we lost our former president, Muhammadu Buhari, in London. But that is not the story. In a recent interview, Buhari's special advisor on media and publicity, Femi Adesina, came out to say that if Buhari had relied on Nigerian hospitals, he would have died a long time ago. I tell you that again. Femi Adesina did mention that if Buhari had relied on Nigerian hospital, he would have died a long time ago. I don't know how that sounds, but for me, it's very indicting. Buhari was head of state in 1984, and of course, he made his return in 2015, and for 8 years, he reigned supreme in this country. But still, he could not erect a single hospital that could perhaps treat him and other politicians who are too humans to be treated in Nigeria. You recall that in 2010, former governor President Yar'Adua died in London. And fast forward to 2025, that is about 100 years later, Buhari died in London. And then you ask yourself, what exactly is going on? What is difficult in our leaders facing the healthcare in Nigeria, that at the slightest of headache, the average politician runs to London? And guess what? They do that on Nigerian money. It's not their private personal money. It is public funds, taxpayers' money that they use to treat themselves abroad. So you ask yourself, are they more humans than other humans? Are they more Nigerian than other Nigerians? That they can use public funds to treat themselves abroad, while the rest of us, we die here at home in the same hospital that are not good enough to treat them ourselves. I really don't know how best to explain this, but then it calls for perhaps a sober reflection that what exactly is going on, what is difficult in putting our healthcare in order so that these politicians can also benefit from it, instead of wasting our money in a foreign land at every slightest opportunity. You look at even the current president, he has gone perhaps to France, to London on several occasions for medical checkup, treatment, and all of that. And if you follow the track record of the average Nigerian, it's the same thing. What happens to the rest of us? We are the ones that should die in the hospitals that they refuse to put together. Maybe you should tell us what you think, because for me, I really don't understand, and we can't continue like this. Thank you.